So this is the little black mini portable oven bag, and inside you will actually, you have to put this in here. It's your little mini oven. So these are the straps, and this is adjustable. You can make it taller or you can make it shorter. And the wiring, you can push it through this pocket here or this pocket here, and it will come out through here. And here's the wiring. Okay, so here's how it works. First you have to turn on the car. Then after you turn on the car, you plug it in, and you'll notice that a little red light will go on, and that'll let you know that your personal portable oven is on. Goes. My food is in here, so let's see how it goes.